Well, obviously, I like to rock and roll dressed like a pumpkin. So there's some rock and roll pumpkin purple people eaters out there, aren't there? All right. How do you want to save? Do you want to save a lot of money or just a little bit each month when you join this Save Club thing? Because if you want to save more, just relax. Maybe write things down that you like to go shop at, let's say at Walmart. Maybe you got to go to Home Depot, do some summer things like buy a barbecue set or a patio set. Are you going to go vacation? A lot of people travel. It is Memorial Day weekend as I produce this video. Tons of people driving around. They have a lot of nice barbecues. They're going to go to cemeteries and just remember people that have made a difference in their lives. And of course, just military veterans that have served for our amazing life that we all have. And for those that are still just kicking butt and doing a great job, thank you so much to all veterans this special Memorial Day weekend. But do you want to save more or less? Because the more you search around and get addicted to going to saveclub.com, all right, we'll have an app, but you don't even need an app. You just go to saveclub.com, like on your Chrome browser, and just type it in. All right, you guys got a smartphone, just go to Google Chrome, and then I type in saveclub.com, and everything's just right there on your screen. I prefer a home computer. And I just love sitting here on my webcam chatting with you guys, where I can show you my screen and just show you deals that I've been able to enjoy. Tires, car washes, some food things, purple mattress. The tires, ooh, boy, they were expensive. But I was able to save almost 900 and some odd dollars. I'm almost at 1,000. I don't know if I'm going to be able to reach it. I'm about 950 bucks of savings my first month. And I've only been doing this 1 month. So am I a fan of spending 20 bucks to save 900? Oh yeah, it's already paid off for the year. But to be an affiliate, my pay has been around 1,000 bucks a week because after 30 days, my income total is going to be right around 4 grand. So I just said 4,000 divided by 4, that comes out to about $1,000. And that is amazing savings. It makes you feel so darn good, especially when you have it in your hand. So what I did, I went down to the bank. And they all know me at my bank because I'm colorful. I wear colorful shirts and I talk a lot and I like to rock. And I walked in there and I said, "Hey there, pretty girl. I would love to take out $1,000 cash." And she's like, "What you gonna buy?" And I said, "I'll buy you something cute." If I was 40 years younger. Because yes, I do like to flirt. And everybody seems to be 40 years younger than me. So I'm that old perverted guy that has a Santa beard that looks like Kenny Rogers with a rock hat on. But look what I did. I went ahead and I just got cash because if I put a $20 bill up, it's just like, okay, it's 20 bucks. Let me give myself 30 days just to search around Save Club and see, can I save more than this? Because if you can't, then don't even join Save Club. I get it. You're like, whatever. I'll just overpay now and then, but that's okay. I've been doing this overpay thing forever. And that's fine. I'm in the same boat as you. I have to go out of my way to remember I have Save Club on my cell phone or my home computer. And thank God I did when I went to Discount Tire. So 20 bucks, I saved 950. Because here's 1,000. I just took out a $50 bill. When you get this much money in front of you and you realize that I could have just given this to businesses like Discount Tire, Purple Mattress, my 2 favorite car washes, of course they'll take it. And the owners will take this and go, "Oh man, thank God they don't try to save money on my prices." And they're probably on their boat barbecuing right now, living a pretty good life. And good for them. I like business owners. But I like to save money. I'm looking out for number one, and you got to look out for yourself. You have to make sure that you're healthy and have a little bit of wealthy and be a little bit of wise too. Healthy, wealthy, and wise. What great words, aren't there? Better ones out there? I don't know, maybe. But I just love playing with this money in my hand because it just makes me more excited. Like, what can I save next month? Because the 950 bucks I saved just on being a member is mind-blowing. And then when I equate, I've made about 1,000 bucks per week. This is 1,000. This has been my pay, and I have to pay tax on this. Boo. But there's a lot worse things out there than paying tax on 1,000 bucks a week. I have only been doing this a month. My 1-year anniversary of joining Save Club is like right now. Saved $950 by spending 20. Made $1,000 a week by spending, right here, I'm going to get 4 20s out. The $120 bills, I'm a member. And then the $60, remember, that's all it is to be an affiliate. That's it, $60. And relax, sit back, enjoy your savings, and then I want you to go ahead and say, Cory, what's going on? How are you able to make $1,000? That's awesome. And I'll tell you right now, it really does feel good. $4,000. And then I have a funnel system. It's the only one that kicks ass and is available right now as I sit here talking to you fine folks on Memorial Day weekend. All right. When you join for $60, you're going to get your own website, your own capture page, customer support. You just go to support@saveclub.com. All right. Talk to, let's see, Aaron or Jessica. They have helped me several times just with my questions. And they're not going to help you with marketing, but if you get a hold of support, talk about cryptocurrency. How can I pay with crypto? All right, is it Visa, MasterCard? How do I do this? How do I do that? They'll help you with the technical side. Okay, but what I am pretty good at is just making video and recruiting and just inviting. I invite you to ilovesaveclub.com. And right below is the new funnel system that is just kicking butt. I've been able to sign up 11 people just over the last week. All of it was Save Club funnels. Do you have 25 more bucks? Because you have 20 to be a member, you got 60 to be an affiliate. Do you have 25 bucks to give this funnel system a chance? Because if you're kind of new and you need help with marketing, you need help, just advice, you need support. It's good to meet other people online. You might not ever meet them in person, but when you join our private Facebook groups and you have questions, you don't feel as nervous. So don't ever feel nervous. You can ask me all the questions in the world, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I'm more than happy to help you out because if you're asking questions, it means you're trying to be an affiliate. You'll figure out the membership side. All you do is just go search the world over and over and over and over until you save money. That's the easy and fun part. But when it comes down to marketing, if you don't have experience, or maybe you did in the old days, maybe you retired and you kind of feel like you're out of touch, don't worry about it. This opportunity sells itself because when you're all done, the way that I market and my team will help you is you're just going to upload videos already made and just get your own link. You get your own link. Either go through Save Club funnels or go through just the link that you get with Save Club when you join. I do both. I give people a choice. Do you want soft tacos or crunchy tacos? Okay, do you want a burger or a cheeseburger? Yeah, do you want chocolate? You want vanilla? I offer both. And guess what? My income is doubled by giving you guys a chance to just join Save Club. Go to the left business card on your screen. And if you think that you're going to need a little bit more help, then go to the Save Club funnel system. The funnels is just more elaborate. It goes through a nice, slower, approach where the video's 20 minutes versus 6 minutes. And they're both effective. All right, I've been able to go all the way on the leaderboard into the top 10 already out of thousands and thousands that have signed up worldwide by doing exactly what I'm showing you right now. Join. Get out of 20, get out 3 more, get that $80. Just join as an affiliate right now. Then, if you think you're going to maybe get a little bit of brain fog and hit, not really a roadblock, but you just kind of get bummed out because you're like, I don't know what to do next. Then let's get this funnel system as well. Let's do both. All right, it's $105 if we want to talk dollars and cents. $80 to save a club, as far as being an affiliate and getting that 1 month membership in. But then we also need this funnel system for $25. So you're at $105. If you want a custom domain like ilovesaveclub.com, call GoDaddy. There's another, let's see, $12.17. So now you're at about $115, $120. You want business cards, so you just hand them out on a street level, so you don't have to talk about Save Club. Just hand out the card and go, check out ilovesaveclub.com. That's all I do. Spend another $22 at vistaprint.com. That's what I did. So now you're about $130, $140. You've got a website capture page. You got a funnel system. You have business cards. You have a domain. Do you want a light to shine up your face? You can see the little ring light in my glasses. That's 20-something bucks at Walmart or Amazon. You want a webcam instead of talking on your phone? because I think it's a pain in the ass to sit and talk on your phone in selfie mode. I just put it on the desk here and I just sit, and I prefer a webcam. But my webcam, it's a Logitech C920, and they're about 50 to 70 bucks, depending on where you buy from Amazon, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a friend has a webcam sitting around collecting dust. So for 200 bucks or less, wow, webcam, light, website, capture page, funnel system, business cards, and a custom domain name. Where else can you kick ass like this? And and I'm going to save money too, because Save Club, wow, it has savings like crazy. Like I said, I've already saved 950 bucks my first month. I've earned $1,000 average per week. And with the Save Club funnel system, I will make $20 if you get the funnel system. And thank you for that, by the way. And I've already made about $700 to $800 just with the funnel. And the funnel pay, it's recurring. That means next month it'll be $700, $800, $900 to $1,000. The next month after that, it'll probably be $1,000 to $1,000. It's just going to grow and grow and grow, because my team loves funnel systems. They work. If you're going to do this by yourself, give it your best shot. But if you get stuck, don't wait that long. Get the funnel system for 25 bucks, please. Getting stuck and intimidated means you're just going to save money. That's great, but you need to earn money too as an affiliate, especially when it's as fresh and yummy and explosive as it is right now. Everyone is joining. Everyone's going to know about Save Club over the next year. It is the best opportunity to save money and earn money. It is the next Groupon, except it's going to be worldwide, and there's an affiliate side where you earn money. What other Save Club type of group out there pays you? They pay celebrities and influencers and Kim Kardashian to show her fat ass and to do a bunch of other things that you could care less about. You're just sitting there going, oh, Groupon. I mean, yeah. Or do you want to make money yourself? I think you do. Okay? All right. Enough chit chat. I'm at my 12-minute mark. I have a good time doing this. I want you to join my group. It's big, it's long, it's thick, it's awesome. And a lot of people are finally having success online as a business. And that gives you good confidence. Okay? So let's have a great summer in 2025. Let's rock. I have my rock hat on and I'm cheering for you. Okay, guys, I love saveclub.com and saveclubfunnels.com. Please go there right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys have a good Memorial Day weekend, because I'm filming this on a beautiful Sunday in 2025 on the 25th day of May. So rock, rock, never stop. Get a hold of me if you need something too. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Talk to you guys next video. Take care.